Hi, my name is Ben McKeehan. I am a State Fair student here. I originally grew up at Warrensburg, Missouri, and I have decided to come here at State Fair to do precision machining and the Associates of Science degree program. Experience here at State Fair has been a really positive one. I really do enjoy my time here. It was a little bit daunting to come in and start a new school. I didn't really know a lot of people here. But as soon as I got more intertwined with the community, it kind of just blossomed from there. And that kind of really got started with the Collab Lab here. I was able to work here, get intertwined with the classes and people here and with their projects as well. Taylor Ditzfeld, David, and then Devin. They have been incredibly supportive of my time here at the Collab Lab. John Kincaid and William Ivey. They have been awesome instructors. They are probably the coolest people I know at State Fair, and they have been really supportive of my extracurricular activities. The Associates of Science degree that I have, it's going to allow me to transfer over to UMKC, where I will be finishing off my mechanical engineering program. I'll be able to get a mechanical engineering job, and hopefully, as this is a big lifetime goal of mine, is to open up my own research and development facility. Being named a distinguished student means, to me, is that you made an impact with the people around you. To me, this is normal. It's what I do every day. I like helping, I like building things, and I felt very proud and honored to be recognized. My advice for future SFCC students is to get involved. Get involved with the people here because they truly do care. They are some of the most brilliant and most kind people I've ever met, who are not just here to see you graduate, but to see you succeed.